Sanbanani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now guys, yesterday Utirelo decided to have a Q&A on her Instagram, and listen, you know that there's just going to be someone who's going to be asking questions that are just sideways. This person says, when babu lobola nini, babu mithisa nje, no ring, no ring, stima sakho sona, a reality star with in inverted commas with the clown face to say that you are the clown, Tirelo. Now, for the ones who don't understand isiZulu, when ababu lobola nini means like when are they marrying you? Basically they impregnated you with no ring. Like, what about your dignity as a person? And then Utirelo responds and says, hi bandla, ukhala ngami yini ukumithiswa without a ring? Like, am I the first person to get pregnant without a ring? She says, just because ngamithiswa, I'm entitled to a ring. Just because like they impregnated me, now I'm entitled to a ring? Kuze kubonakale ukuthi nginesidima kuwe konje lempilo eyakho. Like this Utira is basically saying like, so I'm so just because Umpumelelo gave me a baby, to show that I've got dignity, I've got respect towards you, or to you, or according to you, I'm supposed to have a ring. Like, is this like, whose life is this? I'm just like, I don't even know why people keep asking Mutibabu Lobola Nini. Ever since Uvuyogazi, we all know, ever since Uvuyogazi, they took out Lobola for her. People have been asking Utirelo of like, when are they taking out Lobola for you, since you had a big mouth when it came to saying a lot of things to Uvuyogazi on the last episode, when like kind of like people are basically saying that Uvuyogazi is ahead than Utirelo because her man was willing to willing to do the things that need to be done, which is take out Lobola for her, whereas Umpumelelo has not taken out Ilobola for Utirelo. I've said this before, guys. I've never heard Utirelo talking about Umshato, guys. People's goals are different, though I do want to believe, guys, majority, not all, majority of women who have babies with a guy and are still with the guy do want to settle and get married to the guy. But anyway, guys, this is a question that I see a lot. Like, a lot of people like type this question of Gonja Babu Lobodanin. That's Utirela's answer to everyone that listened. This is her life. And she says that just because a man has impregnated you, it doesn't mean that you're entitled to a ring. And listen, guys, let's be honest. Sometimes I feel like we are one-sided. If you had a son, or if you have a son and he impregnated a girl, would you want him to automatically marry that girl just because he impregnated him? No, you want your son or whoever it is, or your brother, to get married to someone they genuinely want to get married to. So Uterala is basically like, no, he doesn't owe me a ring. And she's saying, I'm not the first one, guys, to get impregnated without a ring. I mean, here in South Africa, how, like, people don't even care about rings these days, because the way South African men don't want to get married, they would rather give you 5 children, guys, than marry you. And that's the crazy thing, you know? But yeah, that's Utirela's answer. You guys tell me what you think about the answer. Do you feel like, I don't even know whether I must ask, do you feel like there's a truth in what she's saying? Because I know some people already are going to disagree with it off the bat and say, listen, everyone wants to get married. But I do believe that if Utirelo would say that she doesn't want to get married to Mpumelelo, I think she'd be lying, in all honesty, because I don't see what's the point in being with someone, because Mpumelelo has said that he does want to get married. So I don't think it's the case that she does not want to get married. I just think ukuthi isimo. But anyway, the answer was mature, realistic. I don't know. But yeah, anyway, tell me what you think about it. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.